Breakfast of champions right here. Hot cup of tea and a donut. I'm finna just dunk that right on in there. Yo, it's your boy B. Adams. We are live here once again at Adams Barbershop, 5138 West Madison, Chicago, Illinois, 60644. If we doing this with each other right now, you looking at me, I'm looking at you, that mean I got some new content for you. My man Big TY came in here and said, B, get this gray off me. I need the gray gone ASAP. Gray, be gone. Say no more, sir. I got you. Put my man Big TY back in the game the right way. Now to some people, I already know what you're thinking. Some people wondering why is it so dark? Why is it that dark? It's too dark, don't look natural. Well, if you pay attention to the beforehand portion of the video, you'll see that his beard is not only very, very full, it's also very dark at the bottom already. So all I did was enhance the darkness of the perimeter line. And I should have started by saying that he wanted it like that. That's how he liked to wear his beard. He wanted the super black, jet black, dark look. I mean, we talking about a guy that fell asleep with the dye on his face before. A guy that I put the dye on his face and he left out the shop and stayed gone for 45 minutes to an hour with the dye on his face. He'll be sitting there with the dye on his face, and I'm knowing it's been a minute since it's been on there for a minute. And I'm like, man, you ready? He like, nah, it ain't in there long enough yet. So yeah, that's how he like it. I'm just glad I was able to do it. But you already know it's time for me to get out of here so I can get the day going. I'm your boy, B. Adams, here live at Adams Barbershop, 5138 West Madison, Chicago, Illinois, 60644. Get in tune with us on the official YouTube channel at Adams 5138. Stay in tune with me, B. Adams, on my Instagram page at B. Adams 5138. Stay in tune with us at the official Adams Barbershop Facebook page. Google us, because we're Googleable. Leave a comment, leave a review, share, subscribe, share, comment, like. Till the next time, I'll holler at y'all.